Hi guys, I am going to go ahead and build my Lego sets because I want to add them to my bookshelf. I have this smaller one and a bigger one. I think I'm going to do one in one video and one in another video, maybe, depending on how long it takes me to put them together. This is just a small set, so I'm going to hit a time lapse. I'm going to build it up here on my stand with all my other Harry Potter stuff, and then I'll let you see what it looks like at the end. All right, so this is what it looks like. It is all finished. As you can see, it's got the little tree that comes with it, and Luna with her little bag. Whoops, knocked her over there. And then it's got your little characters. There's Harry with his apple and the carriage, and it also comes with this little Quibbler book there. If I can get my hands to quit shaking. That's what happens when you drink too much coffee. So this is an adorable little set, and I will go ahead and show you the box and the number in case you're interested. Okay, so here's the box, and here's the number, 76400. And this is the newest little set that I'm going to add to my collection. Hope you enjoyed. Hi guys, I know this was a short little video, but I'm going to try to put out as many as I can, even if they're shorter. Some will be longer. I'll do the best I can. Putting one out every Friday is just not working for me right now. I'm still getting used to doing all of the editing and the video stuff, and I was having some super bad problems with my camera to the point where I'm returning it, and I'm going to look for something different. But this little Lego set that I just finished is going to go up on the shelf with all my other ones. You can see them up there. And I'm actually thinking about converting one of my rooms and making one whole room down here Harry Potter. So stick with me and we'll see what happens.